Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly who this came from, mainly because it says on the front, but also because we talked about it beforehand. What's in this package is actually available today, so I'll make sure and link it right down below so you guys can check it out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, so this package was sent by Tactile, the folks behind, oh, we have another box to get through. The folks behind the pens and the knives. And they've got, I think this is like a special release combo. And I'm always up. I'm definitely not, I explore other hobbies, right? You guys know I got a thing with watches and flashlights as well. I also kind of like pens. Let's open up the pen first. Let's see here. I'm going to put the name of this combo right up front because I have a terrible time remembering, and I do these blind kind of. I mean, I knew this one wasn't completely blind because I knew, but I forget stuff like as soon as I start recording. So, okay, cool. So, this is a bolt action pen. What is this material? You can see all the way through it. I'm going to guess that it's, you know, ultra durable, right? Can we see? For some reason, the camera's having a hard time focusing. There we go. So, here's the material. You can see right through there. That's kind of neat. That's kind of cool, right? Let's get back to one. And, yeah. So, this is kind of a shorter. I wish I had my binders upstairs with one of my bolt actions in it. This is still a pretty hefty guy. Like, I mean, it's actually pretty lightweight, but as far as the bulk or the size of everything with the material, it's kind of fat. But it's, like I said, lightweight, so that's kind of cool. I also kind of appreciate the not maximum size. The camera's having a hard time focusing on this. So that's kind of cool. And then the other thing, which is a knife, this is the Bexar, Bexar. People are going to get mad at me for pronouncing it like that. The Bexar blade says MC. Okay. I don't know what that means, but we have the same material on this thing is ridiculously lightweight now. What is the actual, oh, it's Magna Cut. Okay, cool. So we have a Magna Cut Bexar. So, I'm actually going to be giving away these two items on live streams. You guys, anybody who's been subscribed to me for a while knows that a lot of the stuff that I get, a lot of the cool stuff that I get for free from designers and, you know, manufacturers, retailers, etc. I like to give it away during live streams. So if you're not subscribed and you didn't know that and you needed a reason to subscribe, well, there you go. But yeah, I think this is probably something that I will be giving away. I can't believe how lightweight this is. Let's go ahead and weigh them. I don't understand. Is the plastic like a GFN or like an FRN or some? I mean, it's got to be some type of injection mold plastic, right? This has, you can see there, it's just the lock bar, the spring bar on the back, right? Whatever you call that, slip joint, folks. So I mean, for something like this, I think it makes a lot better sense, right? Something that's supposed to be kind of lightweight and not ultra hard use. It weighs 1.09 ounces. Eat your heart out. Benchmade bug out. And then the pen weighs 0.71 ounces. Cool. This is the kind of thing, like, if I was going to EDC a pen, I really like I own actually a titanium and a zirconium pen from Tactile, and I'll link their other stuff down below. Like, if you've never experienced this company, Tactile Knife Co. makes the knives, and then Tactile Turn does the pens. These are all made in the United States. They're really cool, and they've got a ton of different stuff. I mean, like, I haven't experienced a whole bunch of different types of pens or anything like that, but I really like what they make. I really like the bolt action stuff for sure, and the little side clicks. But I'll link this stuff. I like my titanium and zirconium pen a lot. They're definitely a lot heavier than this. I'm going to be honest and say that no matter how heavy, you know, those items are, like the zirconium one is definitely the heaviest. It's still pretty easy to EDC. But if you're somebody who, you know, carries a whole bunch of stuff, Like, you like to carry a knife and a pen and a blah and a blee and a blue and a whatever, right? Kind of minimizing the amount of weight and maximizing the amount of utility in the object is probably going to be the name of the game. So it's kind of neat that they offer stuff like this. I am wondering if they are able to do this in different colors, because that'd be kind of neat. The the lanyard doesn't do anything for me, but I think that's just part of the Bexar design for sure. Yeah, this is cool. So it's the same thing as the titanium. I'm going to guess these come in substantially less, but these should be releasing today. The 28th is when you're watching this. I believe you guys know I pre-record my content, so I'm recording this in the past, but I believe these released today. So I'll link this stuff down below. I'll link Tactile Knife Co. knives down below and the Tactile Turn pens, which there are a lot of, so definitely browse those because they're very cool. I'll link all that stuff down below so you guys can check it out. I don't know. I might review the knife just because it's a little bit different, right, than the titanium, like the standard titanium Bexar. It's just lighter, right? So I might do a full video on that. If I decide to do that, it'll come down the road. Keep an eye out for live streams on the weekends because eventually these are going to come up and they'll be given away. So if you've got your eye on these, then yeah, that's what we'll do. Anyways, thanks so much to Tactile for sending these in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.